Hello everyone. Today, I'm starting with a real challenge. This old engine is completely stuck. I've tried everything, from applying brute force with standard wrenches to hammering it, but it just refuses to budge. It's time to get creative with our tools. I'm taking this ordinary wrench, which will be the base of our new tool. I need to precisely mark where I'll drill holes onto its body. After marking the holes, I'm carefully proceeding to drill a hole through the wrench. This hole is essential for integrating the threaded rod and nut that will form the core structure of the custom removal tool, providing the necessary leverage. Now, I'm taking a threaded rod and some nuts. I'll meticulously weld each nut directly onto the wrench, aligning them perfectly. I repeat this process for several nuts, ensuring each one is firmly secured to the wrench. This secure welding is critical for the tool's structural integrity, as it needs to withstand significant pressure. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After welding, I use a chipping hammer to carefully remove any excess slag from the fresh weld, making sure the threads are perfectly clear and clean for the bolts to screw in smoothly. Next, I need to prepare the central bolt for our puller. I firmly attach it to my drill. Then, I carefully grind one end down to a sharp point using an angle grinder. This sharp, pointed tip is essential as it will allow the puller to center accurately on the pulley shaft without slipping, providing stable leverage. I will weld the two nuts together. Then I remove the nuts and weld them to the other end of the sharpened metal rod. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I will thread a small bolt through the two bolts that fit together and secure it with a small nut, turning it into a sturdy T-shaped handle for the center bolt. These modified bars form the adjustable levers for our pulley pulling tool, providing the necessary flexibility to efficiently handle different pulley sizes. To complete the gripping mechanism, I need some robust hooks. I'm getting 2 more threaded rods and welding nuts to one end of each rod. After welding, I'm carefully measuring and marking them for cutting. Then, I precisely cut them with my angle grinder. The cut ends will be meticulously ground and shaped into a hook-like form. This careful shaping ensures symmetrical hooks that will provide even pressure, which is vital for safe and effective pulley removal. Now comes the exciting part, the final assembly. I'm securing the 2 prepared hooks to the wrench base. I'm welding 2 more nuts to the hook body. I'm threading a long bolt through 2 welded nuts and tightening them with a smaller bolt. This comprehensive assembly creates a complete, robust pulley puller, with each component strategically positioned to distribute force evenly and effectively remove the pulley without excessive strain. I'm fitting the center bolt into the hole of the tool and preparing to use it. I carefully position the entire puller assembly onto the stubbornly stuck motor pulley. The sharpened center bolt aligns perfectly with the shaft, and the newly crafted hooks securely grip the edges of the pulley. I begin to turn the central bolt, applying steady and increasing pressure. And just like that, with surprising ease, the pulley begins to move and then smoothly slides right off. This DIY tool truly works like a charm, proving that a little ingenuity can indeed solve even the toughest mechanical challenges. A perfectly removed pulley and a fantastic custom tool, created from a simple wrench. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.